2013 Mercedes-Benz SLK250 Convertible for sale in Colorado. This is a hardtop convertible, rear-wheel drive. This is in a diamond silver metallic, the rear spoiler. "18" 5-spoke wheels. Super low miles. It only has 5,494 miles on it. Has an ash leather interior, memory seats, upgraded Harman Kardon sound system. This one has the Bi-Xenon headlights. Heated seats as well as the heated ventilated scarf. Map. Auto dimming mirror, built-in garage door opener. So look at the ventilated seats. I can be reached at 303-229-3574. Again, 303-229-3574. Thank you.